Alright, today we're going to be replacing the control board on a Rheem condensing unit. It's a communicating system. So we'll go ahead and get this board off and go from there. First thing I'm doing is just going to pull the disconnect. Go ahead and unhook everything and remember where it goes. Best thing to do is, if you don't know, just take a picture of everything. Most of these are going to be pretty self-explanatory. You'll be able to see. Yellows. Brown's right below it. Black and the yellow. Orange and black. And one little sensor all the way over here. Kind of see what did that one in. Slugs. A little bit of a slimy situation there, you would say. But ding. Got a new one right here though. Get all these old ones out of here. Nasty. Slugs are slimy. Sensor down there at the bottom. This one's got a little logic board right here. We're going to go ahead and reuse. All right. Now all we got to do is put back in the disconnect. What we're not going to do is we're not going to touch the contactor down here. That's not the way to turn on these. You could actually mess up this unit if you try to push in the contactor to start it. We're going to go ahead and turn the thermostat on. Try it out. See what happens. Unit came on and is running. Just got a little bit of slime on the back side of that door. Or some snails, or slugs, or whatever they're called. Customer went ahead and put some salt down in here just to kind of help prevent any of that in the future. Don't know if it'll work or not, but can't hurt. So that's it on this one, just replacing a board. We'll check the refrigerant levels and make sure all that's good before we go, but haven't had an issue with this one since we put it in, so that is it from here. Got this one fixed. On to the next one. If you guys have any questions on what I did, just drop a comment down below. If you like that video, don't forget to give it that thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more content like this. We'll see you guys next time.